Hi guys, welcome back to Bonito Bling. This is me, Alka. Today I'll be creating this look using only 3 affordable products. I hope you all enjoy watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel if you are new here. First of all, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my face. Actually, I'm using this concealer as my base and just using it all over my face. I'm using it on my forehead, under my eyes, and even on my acne scars. I'm just blending it using this beauty blender all over my face. If you want, you can use any kind of brush or your finger even to blend it into your skin. Please keep in mind that whenever you're using any kind of blending thing, blend all the product into your skin, not drag it into your skin. Okay, and next I'll be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It'll enhance my lashes. You can see how my eyes becomes beautiful just giving 1 or 2 stroke, as I'm not using it much. And same, I'm using this mascara on my brows to define my eyebrow. And now I'll be using this Lakme 925 lip color as a lipstick, and I completely love this beautiful shade. Next I'll be using this same lip shade on my cheeks as blush and just blending it with my fingers. And I'm using this lip shade again on the lid of my eyes as an eyeshadow and blending it with my finger. And now my look is complete using only these 3 products, and now you can see how beautiful and simple, or you can say dewy look it is. I have just created in front of you guys using only these products. It's completely a wearable look which you all can do on a daily basis. And if you enjoy watching this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.